Hi, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm in the kitchen again. So this time I'm making mince and pasta, which is something I was brought up with, and I totally love eating it because it's really, really yummy, filling at the same time. So let's get cooking this time. Well, you need your mince. Well, my mince is in the pan. You need onion, which I already cut up, carrots, which I've cut up too, mushrooms, because I like mushrooms, and oxo cubes as well. So let's get on to it. Yeah, the mince is in the pot. What you gotta do is add the onions. Ooh, if I can get them. With this, you can use vegetarian mince if you'd like as well. Still works the same way. Wait for it to come to sizzle, and then the mince is brown, and then you can put in the carrots and oxo cube. While the mince is cooking, you get a big pan, you fill it with water, and wait for it to boil, and you can put the pasta in it. Okay, the mince is nice and brown, and then stuff cube. Not coming out. Come out! Give it a stir. Whoa, steamy. I'm stirring the carrots. It's been like a minute, so put in the carrots. Carrot. Wait for another couple of minutes, and add in the mushrooms. Well, wait for that. It's gonna be like a couple minutes, and I cut myself earlier. Yeah, believe it or not, it's like 4 sheets of pasta, 4 sheets of plaster I put on, and it's finally stopped the blood coming through. Yeah, never knew how sharp my new knives were. They were really sharp. That's what I get if I don't pay attention. Yeah. Yeah, at least I know this time I will not fail in this one like I did with the pancakes. Yep. Pancakes can be hit and miss. But this, I know what I'm doing. I've been making this more than pancakes. Because it's mainly my staple type of food. Because what I do, I make a big batch of it and I put it in containers and put it in the freezer. Which means I've got food for like a couple of days or the week after. So, yeah, it's one way to save money as well. And then you know you always got food in the freezer. Now that has been in for a couple of minutes. It's quite steamy in here. And put in the mushrooms. Give it a stir. And when it's done, leave it for about 2 minutes. And now I've got to wait for that. Now I can put the pasta in because it's boiling now. Woohoo! There you go, pasta, you're going for a bath. I don't want to point the camera away from that for really paying attention. There you go, pasta's in, now I've got to wait for the boil. That's finished. And now be it done. Sorry if you can hear me properly, it's because I've got the fan on. It's quite loud a bit. To keep the steam away from the fire alarm. Because I'm really bad at the fire alarms. Yeah, I don't know how many times I've set fire alarms in my life. I've made a lot of them go off. With this recipe, carrots and onions are optional. If you're vegetarian, you can put the meat-free mince instead. And pasta's generally vegetarian-free anyway. I think I've made that the right way around. Vegetarian-free. Well, you know what I mean. Like, vegetarians can have it. I can't be like 4 a.m. in the morning and yeah, I'm cooking. And I'm still wide awake. And at least this time I'm not feeling it anything when I'm cooking it. Yay! I should make a new series of cooking fails. But this one is a cooking success. the pan you cook the mince in, the pan you cook the mince in, that's where you add the pasta. Like so. Pasta's in, you just give it a stir. You can see pasta's mixed in with the mince, and now it's ready to be served. And there you have it, mince and pasta. That's the video for today. This stuff's quite handy if you're on like a low budget or something, because you can make a big batch of it and put it in the freezer. Yeah, and you can alter the recipe any way you want. You can put barbecue sauce on it when it's finished, some add ketchup, or when it's in the pan, when you mince in the pan, so you can put bolognese sauce, pasta sauce, anything to give it a flavour. But this is how I like it sometimes, well most of the time. So I can just put in all of it in the freezer, and that'll be me for dinners for a couple of days. So anyway, hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, and my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook are in the link below. Can't speak. My Twitter, Instagram, Facebook are in the links below if you'd like to follow them. Anyway, I hope you guys have a really, really good evening.